Every web designer needs to understand photos and the web. The file size for photos needs to be relatively small and needs to fit on a page. This is a photo taken on a Nikon D5500 at 6000 by 4000, which means it's 6000 pixels wide by 4000 pixels high, which is way too big for the web. The RAW version is over 30 megabytes and the JPEG version is 13 megabytes. A good general rule is to keep web photos below a half a megabyte. To do that, we'll keep the width of our images no more than 1024 pixels wide. Before manipulating the image, I'm going to duplicate or copy it and rename it. I'm using a basic image editor called Preview that comes with a Mac to change the size of the web version of the image. Tools, Adjust Size. If I change the size to 1024, you can see that it will be 114K or 0.1 megabytes. If you uncheck the Scale Proportionally option, you could stretch the image. Please, please, please don't stretch images. Let's put the image on a web page. By connecting the server, copying the image, and adding HTML to a web page to display it. Just for fun now, let's create a photo that's 1024 by 200. First, I'll open the image with Preview. Command-C to copy it. I'm going to use this program called Pixelmator to do the sizing. File, New, enter in 1024 and 200, paste, zoom out, drag the corners to resize it. Some programs stretch images when you do this, Pixelmator does not. Zoom in and move it where you want it. OK, File, Export. I like JPEGs for photos. This one is less than 58K, very tiny. Let's put it on a web page, and voila, there you go.